Children, today we will study the chapter 8. The name of chapter is Profit, Loss and Discount. You all know the profit is what? Profit when we get the something more amount from we sell it out. So what is the profit? Profit whenever the SP is greater than the CP. What is SP? Selling price, and CP is the cost price at which we purchase some object or some article. So whenever SP is greater than CP, so we will have the profit. So profit we can find out, profit equal to SP minus CP. Similarly, we get the loss. How can we find out the loss? Whenever we have the loss by selling any object. So whenever CP, that is cost price at which we purchase something, is greater than the selling price at which we sell out. So that CP is greater than the SP, then we will have the loss here. So loss is what? How can we calculate the loss? Loss equal to CP minus SP. So we can get the profit and we can get the loss. So how about the profit percent and loss percent? With the help of these two formulas, the profit percent equal to profit upon CP, the cost price, into 100%, we will get the profit percent, and loss percent is what? Loss upon CP into 100%, that is loss percent. So with the help of these formulas, we can do or we can solve the questions that are given in your exercise 8A. Children, I am taking some sums of the exercise 8A. Here we have the sum number 1, that is make up of 10 notebooks for rupees 40 and sold them at rupees 4.75 per notebook. Find a gain percent. So first, whatever given, just write down. Cost of 10 notebook is given rupees 40. That means the cost of one notebook will be rupees 40 upon 10. That will be the rupees 4. So here we have CP equal to rupees 4 and SP is given rupees 4.75. Now what we have, SP is greater than CP. So profit we will have here. So profit equal to SP minus CP, that is rupees 70, rupees 4.75 minus rupees 4. That we got the 0.75. We got the profit. Now we have to find out the profit percent. How will we calculate it? With the use of formula, profit percent equal to profit upon CP into 100%, that is 0.75 upon 4 into 100, that is 75 upon 4, and we will write in a mixed fraction, that is 83 upon 4% is your answer. So you can do the other sum of this exercise with the help of this. Children, now I am taking the question number 3 of the same exercise. Given that a man buys a certain number of articles at 15 for rupees 112.50 and sells them at 12 rupees 108. Find the gain percent and the filed number of articles sold to make a profit of rupees 75. The question number 3. Here we have what we have. Cost price of 15 articles is 112.50. So cost of one article will be 112.50 upon 15, that is rupees 7.50. So selling price is also given of 12 articles, that is 108. So selling price of one article will be 108 upon 12, that is rupees 9. So profit is what? 9 minus 7.50, that is 1.50. So profit percent what will be? The profit upon the CP into 100%. So 1.50 upon 7.50 into 100, we will cancel the numerator to the denominator, we get the 20%. You can do the calculation yourself. Here is the calculation, that we got the 20% is the profit, that is the answer of first part. Now what the number of articles sold to make a profit of rupees 75. That will be the profit we required, and the profit on one article, that is 1.5. So whenever we sold it, we will get the 50 articles. So whenever we sell the 50 article, we get the profit of rupees 75. So in that manner, you will do the sum, and the similar sum can do of this exercise with the help of this. Children, I am taking question number 6 of the same exercise, that is Mohi sold a TV set for rupees 3600, gaining 1/6 of its selling price. Find the gain percent, the cost price of the TV, and the gain percent. So first, whatever given, write down. Selling price is 3600 and the profit is 1/6 of selling price, that is 1 upon 6 into 3600. So whenever we cancel it, 6 6 is 36, 600. So first answer is rupees 600 is the profit. Now we have to find out the cost price. Cost price is what? Selling price minus profit, that is 3600 minus 600, that is rupees 3000. So that is the second part, answer of second part. So what the third part? Profit percent. Profit percent is what? The profit upon the selling cost price into 100%. So that is 600 upon 3000. Whenever 20 to 20, 100 cancels. 10 to 10 of 600 cancels. So 3 to the 6, 20, that will be the 20%. So we have the with the help of this formulas and with this method, we can do the sum of this question number 6. Children, I am taking the question number 13, that is given. A shopkeeper bought 300 eggs at 80 paisa each. 30 eggs were broken in transit, and then he sold the remaining eggs at 1 rupees each. Find his gain or loss percent. So first, whatever we have, the 300 egg he purchased at the cost of rupees 80 per piece. That is the total cost of 300 eggs, that is rupees 80 into 300, that is rupees 240. That means the cost price is rupees 240. Now eggs is broken. How many eggs are broken? 30. So egg left equal to the 300 minus 30, that is 270 eggs were left. So now the cost selling price of the 270 eggs at the rate of rupees 1, that is rupees 270. So what we have now, selling price equal to rupees 270, cost price equal to rupees 240. As the selling price is more than the cost price, that will we have the profit. So profit is what? Rupees 270 minus rupees 240, that is rupees 30. So profit percent, what we have the profit percent? Profit percent equal to the profit upon the cost price, that is 240. So the solve this calculation into 100%, solve this calculation, we got the 25.2, that is 12 upon 2 or 12.5%. So in that manner you will do the sum number 30. Children, I am taking the question number 15 of the same exercise. What is given? A man sold a radio set for rupees 250 and gained 1/9 of its cost price. Find its cost price and the profit percent. Here whatever given, the selling price is given rupees 250. Let the cost price we are taking, that is rupees X, and the profit is given, the cost 1/9 of selling price, cost price, that is 1/9 of X, that is X upon 9. Now we know the CP equal to SP minus profit, that is X equal to rupees 250 minus X upon 9. So X upon minus X upon 9 will be take from right to left, that will add to the X plus X upon 9, give the 10X upon 9 equal to rupees 250. So that is X equal to 9 will go in the multiply in 250 and the 10 in the denominator, and we get the rupees 225. By calculation this, we get the 225 rupees as the cost price. Now profit is given X upon 9, the cost price of 1/9 of the cost price, that is rupees 225 upon 9, that is rupees 25. The profit is rupees 25. Cost price is 225. The profit percent equal to the profit upon the CP, that is 25 upon 225 into 100, that is 100 upon 9, that is 11 upon 9. So here is the two answer. First is the rupees 225, the cost price, and the profit percent. The second answer, that is 11 upon 9%. So in that manner you will do the sum question.